My name is Kevin Orduño, and I'm here serving on the registration check-in team at Oro Valley. It's us as a church really sort of being the hands and feet of the good Lord, and we're ministering to these families in a very practical way, from like a physical place with the Thanksgiving meals, but we're also there for them, even spiritually. We have the prayer team who's praying for them. They get prayer. They get personal shoppers who walk with them the whole time, so they get connection, relationship as well. The best way to describe it is just a sweetness, a pleasantness that I think is just so lovely, to just see sort of that lifting of burdens for people.